All right, good afternoon to my dear software students from last week. I have some exciting news for you. I figured out how to do the O. So I'm making this little video so that you can see how to do it and watch it as well. So come on over here. This is when we were taking the Chelsea design and we were replacing the fill in the letters. So I'll go through that process again. So I had the O, and over here in my color film, I ungroup it, okay, and we'll also over here, we'll hide the rest of these things. That way we can't see anything on the screen except from the O that we're working on. Then we're going to come over here to the Show Objects, click on that, and if we scroll down we can see all the pieces here, and we're going to delete everything that is the fill. So now we're back to the outline of the O and the inside of the O right here. Okay? Remember that we took this and we can't fill this object right now. So remember, we need to come over here, we need to make it a straight single outline. And up in the edit toolbox, we'll scroll up so we can make it into a double run. And that second double run, we'll come over to the edit up here on the file edit, and we'll go to the closed curve, and now it becomes an item that we can fill. So I'll fill this here with this, how about lacework design. Okay. Next, we're going to do the same thing with the O. So we'll make it a straight stitch. We'll go to the double run. We'll make sure we have that second double run selected. Remember, this is what's kind of connecting all of them. And then we're going to have it closed when we come up here to the edit, close curve with straight line. Now you'll see that's an object that can also be filled. So I'll fill it with something like satin so you can really see it. Okay, and here's the part that we were missing in class. If you come over here to the edit toolbox again and you come on down, we can remove overlaps, and it's going to take everything that's underneath of this satin stitch and delete it. Alright, so we'll take the inside of the O and we'll delete it. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. I still want this outline stitch right here, otherwise I'm going to have some gaps in the zero here. So I'm going to take the outline, which is this stitch right there that you can see. I mean, I'll make it a different color. So you can see I need to make it so then it will line up right here. So to do that, I'll come up to my percentage and we'll say I'm going to make it, we'll make it 95% of the design. Make it just a little bit smaller. And it looks like it needs to be just a little bit smaller than that. Remember, anytime when we press enter here in the percentage, it becomes the new percentage. New 100%. So we'll just decrease it, and that looks like it's lined up. But I'm going to come up here and see that it's actually not lined up on the top. So to fix that, we'll have the black handles and just pull this up so then it will cover that line, and then we'll come down and we'll pull this one down. Okay, and we'll make that the green color again. So there, it's all going to be nice and finished on the end with the outline. There we go. So that should take care of all the letters there in that new Chelsea design, and you can let me know if you have other questions, but I'm going to attach some of the other questions that you had in class on the other links in the email. But let me know if you have questions. Thank you.